Day 5, our final broadcast from the gorgeous, iconic, most special Paris. And I'm not feeling great about it, guys. Don't want to leave. Nope. Who do we think is the most fashionable on set? I mean, Mr. Roker, he certainly knows how to dress well.
Without doubt. Al, I'm sorry, Craig, but Al wins. Savannah and Hoda, I am so sorry too, my friends, but Al, I mean, it's the hats. He is like, I think Mr. Dior, I learned, he said, without hats, there is no civilization. And I look at Al, I'm like, there you go, pointing case. And actually, his daughter's here as well, who lives here, and she's giving me the best restaurant recommendations. Good. So thanks, Layla.
You guys, you're going to want to come in.
Yeah. So on the backside they have.
Snoop, hi. How come? Snoop, I wanted a pin. Wait, I'm not going. Oh, so we don't get it.
Because I have to run and I find out.
Oh!
You already know that part though.
What is with this?
Yeah, what is with it? What is this?
Is there anything more to today's show than running into Mariska Hargitay in the hallway and then Snoop Dogg?
I don't know what's happening right now. Like, it's like from DM to like in person to I'm a fake.
You guys' life is amazing.
Life is.
But you see what happens when you're behind the scenes at the Today Show. You never know who you might run into. What happened this morning?
We got up, and so we won yesterday. Brought home the gold. And then, we got to bed at probably around 3 a.m. last night. We woke up. We're all still feeling great. And then we came over here with the NBC, got a picture out in front of the Eiffel Tower. And then we ran into Snoop Dogg. That was pretty cool.
Snoop Dogg.
Just casually. Yeah. So we were trying to recruit him to be part of the rowing team because he's got the height for it. He's got the levers.
Yeah, by the way, I've never felt shorter in my life.
Yeah.
And then, just Mariska Hargitay. Hi! Can you believe you're here too? Like, isn't this
It
the
is
best?
so incredibly exciting, and I'm just in awe of these bright lights and their talent and how they make us all feel so inspired and moved and
love it.
next level.
Go Team USA!
Go Team USA!
How about the Today Show where you run into everybody?
Well, that's what Team USA is about. You know, we're here supporting, whether it's athletes, entertainers, sports figures, whatever it is, we're here to support. That's what USA is all about. One big family.
Number one supporter out there, you know that.
I love my country and I love my athletes, and I'm here to let them know that. So what better way to show them than to be here for them?
It's been really fun in Paris. You're enjoying it?
I'm enjoying every moment of it, every minute of it. It's a beautiful country. The way they took all of these events and put them in these big monumental places is amazing.
You've been to any good parties?
Party in my room every night.
That's the place to be. That's the place to be.
It is.
All right, Snoop, it's so good to have you here at the Today Show. And on Today's Show Radio and SiriusXM, where we love you.
Thank y'all. I love y'all too. Shout out to my people back home in America. Wish you were here.
Oh, here we go. Yeah!
Good name. Kia. Yes. In the place to be. From the bottom to the T.O.P.
Oh my goodness, this
Nice
cool,
to
man.
meet
I
you,
love this.
Kia.
I love this. I mean, your best work is Nation of Millions, man. I think from there on, that's it.
Thank you.
Gotta go back to that.
Thank you. You know where that album starts off at?
Tell me.
Hammersmithodian.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Yeah, we started that off at
Public
Hammersmithodian.
Enemy.
Yeah, come on now. That's where we did it.
I listened to it so many times, it's like burnt. The album's screwed. Fuck, man.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture?
Right now,
Yeah,
immediately.
cool.